Hi everyone, welcome back to Chels Treasures. This vlog is all about something simple and surprisingly powerful. My morning walks last February. My goal was to reach 100 kilometers for the month. I didn't quite make it, but I walked. I showed up. And honestly, that's already progress worth celebrating. Walking in the morning isn't just good for weight loss, it's a gentle way to wake up your body and mind. Unlike running, it's low impact, easier on the joints, and far more sustainable for many of us. Don't underestimate it. It's fat burning, heart loving, and stress reducing. You get to move without pressure, breathe, think, and just be while still making progress. It also helps regulate your metabolism, lowers cortisol levels, and improves digestion and blood flow. And because it's easy to stick with, walking can be a powerful long term habit, especially if you're easing into active lifestyle or want something peaceful. Early morning sunlight gives you a natural dose of vitamin D. It lifts your mood, helps you sleep better at night, and even strengthens your immune system. It's nature's way of gently energizing you for the day. Some mornings I walked past the airport and saw airplanes taking off. It felt special, just me walking slowly on the ground while something big soared above. A little reminder that even small steps can lead to something great, just like progress. I didn't reach my 100-kilometer target. Some walks were shorter, some days I didn't walk at all. But I always tried to return, and I'm proud of that. I made time for myself, I cleared my mind, I moved, and that counts. If you're thinking about starting a routine, start with walking. Step outside, let the sun hit your face, and just move. If you've been trying to stay active too, I hope this encourages you to keep going. Don't let missed targets stop you, because movement in any form is still a win. Thanks for joining me this February. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Chels Treasures for stories that remind you to treasure the simple, powerful things in life. See you! Bye!